Hey Power BI users! Want to make your reports easier to read while keeping colors consistent across every visual? Introducing conditional formatting for lines and legends in Power BI. Apply gradients, rules, or field-driven colors to highlight key insights, maintain consistent branding, and automatically adapt formatting as your data changes. Here's what you need to know. What is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting lets you dynamically control colors and other visual properties using rules, gradients, or field values. It also supports visual calculations, making it easier to create flexible, data-driven reports without constant manual updates. Where can you use it? Conditional formatting now supports lines, legends, markers, and line segments across more chart types, including line, area, bar, column, combo, pie, donut, and funnel charts. This gives you greater control over how important insights are highlighted while keeping report designs consistent. Use case number 1. Highlight the latest year. Use gradient colors to automatically emphasize the most recent year's performance while fading historical data into the background. The formatting updates automatically as new data is added, so your reports always highlight the latest results. Use case number 2. Keep legend colors consistent. Apply colors from a model field so every visual uses the same category colors throughout the report. This improves readability, reduces maintenance, and ensures new categories automatically inherit the correct colors. Use case number 3. Pair colors with field parameters. Assign colors to field parameters so each selected measure keeps its own visual identity across every report. As users switch metrics, the colors update automatically, making comparisons easier to follow. Consistent formatting isn't just about aesthetics. It helps users understand your reports faster and focus on the insights that matter. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.